Yeah, we got this battery in there now. We got a yeah, we got the battery in there. Yep. That's right. We got the battery all in here now. It's doing good. So we get this camera up a little higher. There we go. We got the camera in there. We got the battery in there now. Yep. Make sure the pitch good. Got the battery all in the iPad. Batteries in there. So make sure it's fitting good all the way around the corners. We don't want no problems here. Hope these batteries gonna last a long time. We got the battery in the iPad now. That's good. Now what we got to do, we got to take this home button out of here. Got a home button here, we got to take this out. We got to put it in the new screen, because it don't have one. But it's the old iPad thing, so we got to do this and we got to put this back. Alright, we'll catch you in a few minutes. Hey, you can see we got the home button in there. It is kind of tedious kind of stuff, so I had to cut the camera off. I didn't want to. You see, you got a home button in there. It goes on the other side here. And that's home button. Yep. Yeah, because I had to replace it because I had to take the old one out. So, here's the old one. See? The old screen. See, I took the home button out of it because it didn't have it. You gotta put it on these little terminals and things right here. You gotta put it on there. So that's what I did. Tedious kind of work, but you gotta, be calm and take your time with it. This guy got it all plugged up. You got a button in there. The blue thing goes to the other side on the screen. You got it all plugged up and everything. Yep. And now we got to put this together. Yeah, put that old piece of plastic up. Yep. Now we got to put this together now. Hopefully. So we get this camera angled, It's kind of hard to see both of these things because it's reflecting, it's kind of bad. Now I got to put this on top of this and connect it and everything. Then got to put some tape around here and everything and all this kind of stuff, so hopefully it'll come out good. I hope you can see this. Alright, we'll catch you in a minute. And we got a kit here, we got all, tape going here. I think that's all it's in there. I got this tape, got a squeegee thing. All goes in a nice little plastic bag. Open the bag here. It's supposed to be the good tape, you know. I got some double-sided tape, but I don't think it's gonna work. All this stuff's in a plastic bag. Got a thing to hold this screen down. And they sent some tweezers. And we got an ultimate tool here. It's an opening tool to open it up, you know, and put the stuff on there. We don't need that because we already got that. We already got the tweezers. All we need is this good tape. And we get this out of this bag stuck in here. Got a roll of tape here. Yep. Gotta find the end of it. And it goes along the edge, you know, and it's gotta be clamped together so it'll work. This is double-sided tape. Yep, we got this. Okay. Be with you in a minute. See, one thing I gotta do, I gotta take this camera bezel off here and put it on the other side of the camera. And I got this little plastic piece got to go on this screen over here. That's the old screen, so you know, got the old screen sitting over there. I'll turn this around. Okay, got the plastic piece on there. I'll show you in the camera. I'll try to bring it down. That's what I had to do. I had to put this on this little camera thing because it goes on the bezel on the inside of the camera. So we're going to take this back up.